The main reason for failure is not the budget, is not the technical skills, it's the fact that the people from the business side are not involved in the project. You really need to push them and to define the needs with them, because if you create something like, okay, now you can analyze your churn, but no one wants it, it will not work. So you need to work with them to understand what kind of relevant data source can be used. Or can we confirm the data can be trusted? Because if you do everything, but at the end, the financial department will not trust your data, you are doomed. You cannot do that. So you have to work with business to sort your options by priority. For example, you go in your company, you ask everyone is there use case, if they imagine some project that can be done with machine learning and big data. And after you sort them by priority, criticity, and you select the right project that can be done. And of course, you elect a leader in business, not in technical team. Every situation will need the right tool for the right reason. You don't have one magic answer for everything. You will need to ask yourself, what is the data volumetry to analyze? Do you need to have collect data in real time, or daily, or weekly, or monthly? What kind of data sources? Is it internal, external? What is the volumetry, etc.? And based on that, you will have first answers, maybe with some partners, with some help, with some solution architect you can provide about what you need. But for sure, you should not say, okay, I need a big data cluster. It does not work like that. Every time you have a success, for example, imagine you want to analyze the fraud in your company. Imagine you have your website and you see some people stealing your money because they are not paying with fake ID, fake credit card. You should start with POC. With, for example, fake data. You say, okay, is it the right information you want? Is it a good thing you need? How can you confirm as a business this is a success? Do you have a KPI you can provide to me? Me, I am the technical guy, and you are the customer. Can you provide me some KPIs to follow the success of what I'm doing? And you wait a bit, and you ask them what they have done with that. If they have done nothing, in fact, they are not interested and they will not help you anymore. So you need to work closely with them, and step by step, you need to be sure they are using what you are doing and it's relevant for them. Even for a company like us who are well known in the cloud, it's hard to recruit some people with data scientists and data engineers. So I suggest, if you don't have some, you can train yourself or a volunteer in your company, because it's really cool. It's fun, in fact. And if you cannot, a lot of service providers or consulting firms, even locally, can help you to define your needs. They will help you to define a proof of concept. Don't imagine it will cost you a lot from start. They will define you usually with 1 day free your needs, and after you select, okay, I will do it or I will not. But don't hesitate to call them, to call us. This is the same thing with software editors we have seen. Quite often they propose a free version you can try. You test it, and if it's okay, you contact them, and after they will provide you some workshops to be sure that it will be fully working in your company. But don't stay alone, call us or call them, but plenty of skills are inside service provider and software editors.